Ben, you don't understand. If I don't say hello everyone correctly, people will click off the video immediately. I don't know why.
Just steal Jacksepticeye's thing. Just say top of the morning, laddies, or whatever.
How's it going, bros? My name is Beauty. Does he still
PewDiePie.
do that?
I don't know, he doesn't.
Welcome back to On the Bright Side. My name is Daniel. I am joined by Ben.
Hello.
And we're watching Chainsaw Man. Now people are definitely clicking off the video.
Oh yeah, no, they've already have enough of our bullshit.
Alright, today is, we're gonna see the future.
Oh yeah, that did happen last time, didn't it?
Yeah. And,
Dude, going a week between these episodes, man, I forget everything that happened last episode.
yeah, basically, Power and Denji got beat up, and Hayakawa was sad. But now he's gonna get a new friend. And they're gonna be best friends, I can tell. It's gonna be a healthy relationship. So, let's get into the episode. Before we do that, do me a favor, everyone. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And hit the bell for notifications to be notified of when the next Chainsaw Man episode goes up. There's one more after this. You don't want to miss it. 3, 2, 1, go. This is my favorite basement. Could be worse. I mean, what is half of his lifespan at this point? 1 year?
Yeah.
So he's just gonna have to be like, well, gonna have to kill the gun devil in a year. Ah. You're in the intro. Not what I expected from that guy.
No, I knew it'd be a little bit of a shock.
This is very disappointing for Hayakawa. Put your head inside me. That seems dubious. Why is it wet? Alright. Okay. Sounds good. It better. Well, he did not confirm that your death will be killing your target, though. I pretty much think that he's probably gonna die to the gun devil. We'll see. He did it. Oh, okay.
Man was not amused.
Perhaps. Yeah, but you lived. What other purpose would she be surfing? So what does Makima really want, Ben?
I don't know. The lie I know.
The question is, will Denji still want to bang her when he finds out? Yeah, what are we talking about? Oh. We still got some of those? Those were like super easy for Denji to beat though. I mean, yeah, that's kind of what I'm saying. You're not trying hard enough. Hayakawa's a tryhard. That's his thing. Fair. What good does being realistic do for me, if being realistic basically just means that I should die right now? I've gathered.
Who would have thunk, right? People working as devil hunters? Crazy? Nah.
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます。あなたの組の名前だけでなく、他の組の方のもお願いします。組同士で戦争が起こっちゃうよ。バカだね。
Oh no. We care so much about that. Why is in this scene I'm way more afraid of what Makima's gonna do than these guys? Right? Like, these guys are trying to look intimidating, but...
I mean, after the whack shit we just saw Makima do last episode of the episode before.
Well, don't put it that way. Oh god. Yeah, what is it?
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの
That's a threat.
公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。紹介します。
Don't. How'd that one feel? I'm the true necessary evil. Uh-oh. You won the last fight. Why are you having a grudge? Kobett's like, yeah. Oh, hi, it's you.
You finally get your wish of meeting some of the new characters.
Yeah, he's a shark fiend, I see. Om nom nom. Dude, that ain't no zombie. Violence, Fiend. Alright. Oh boy. Ah, no! Then what did I just say? She's not that bad, actually.
No, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah. That's just like
Still unsettling.
That's just like a Dark Souls boss. Aha. The Angel Devil. Fun. They just called him Samurai Sword, so I'm like, alright. I'm still gonna call him Sword Man.
In the popularity contest for characters that they had, like they had a few times throughout the manga, Howard's breast pads beat out him many times in the popularity contest.
I'm gonna need some explanation on that one after this, but okay. Oh, is it our... Oh, yep, uh-huh. Thanks, Makima.
You just all had Ebola.
Alright. What's the damage?
Fucking psychopath.
Right? It's like Andor all over again. My girl boss brain and my hating this bitch brain. They're conflicting. Hi there. Are you gonna be mean? Yeah, you're gonna be rude about this, huh? We're about to have a personal... We're making this personal, huh? It's bullshit that you could steal shit. Alright. He's not doing terrible. Ah! He's got Xenoblade powers.
I'll take your word for it.
One of the mechanics in that game is that it shows you it shows you into the future and what the enemy's gonna do next. So you can avoid it. Don't do that. I don't like getting choked like that. Okay, I'm gonna end the episode there. I'm gonna have to end my reaction on me saying I don't like being choked like that. All right, Benjamin. That was an episode.
You have finally met the Angel Devil you've been wanting to meet.
Yeah. Am I about to step in a whole thing when I ask this question?
I don't know.
Gender?
I'll be honest with you. Not the question I thought you were gonna. I don't know what I was expecting you to ask.
Ben, what are the Angel Devil's pronouns?
Probably he, him. The Angel Devil is a dude.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said probably he, him, so I'm like...
Well, yeah, because, I mean, I ain't gonna fucking assume.
Alright. Anyway.
As much as it doesn't matter with it being a fictional character.
I don't know. People get upset about it.
You ain't gonna catch me lacking.
After that has been discussed, we had our newly kind of refined team. You said we got introduced to a bunch of characters. We got introduced to Shark Boy and Lava Girl. No, wait.
We did.
There was no Lava Girl.
No, unfortunately.
There was Spider Girl.
There was Spider Girl. Shark Boy, Spider Girl.
Violence Man. Violence Jack. Do you know Violence Jack?
That's part of, is it Borderlands, or am I thinking of... No, I'm thinking of Handsome Jack.
Yeah, Violence Jack is a anime manga that was really famous for being just, like, really over the top in its violence. Mm. Maybe you can tell by the name. It was very... Yeah. Had lots of sensationalized, like, depictions of violence and rape. It's kind of... I think it's been banned. Some of it.
Damn.
But that was back in, like, the 70s or 80s or something.
That's how you know it's good, when it gets banned in the 70s.
Anyway. All of them were very cool. Spider-Woman should be more powerful than all of them. I just feel like people being afraid of spiders is just a very prominent thing.
Yeah, I mean...
But
I'm sure everyone's scared of violence, but I'd wonder how many people actually have a fear of violence. Yeah,
everyone's scared of violence. Shark has to be the least, but like people are afraid of sharks. Like if you saw
we can blame Jaws for the shark fiend to exist.
Yeah, if you saw a shark in the water, you'd be like, I'm gonna stay away from that one. So I think everyone has that kind of apprehensiveness at least.
I may be the odd one out where I just want to try and pet it, but Daniel can confirm I'm just weird like that.
Yeah. I was gonna say you probably have more of a chance of being roughed up by some dolphins, and you'd probably want to pet those
exactly.
as well.
That's what I'm saying. Like I'm scared of orcas, but I'll free dive with some great whites.
We saw the future devil who was helping Hayakawa out because his death is gonna be cool.
Yeah, so that's gotta have you at least a little bit interested, right? Man's just like, yeah, nah, I just want to watch you die.
Yeah.
That's the only payment I want.
I can imagine manga readers being like, oh man, is this the chapter where he's gonna die? Is it gonna be cool? He was using a normal sword this time around, which I guess makes sense. Can't die too quickly. And we completed our training with Denji and Power. They cannot beat him, but they are stronger, which is good. We had Makima go talk to the Yakuza. I'm gonna assume that there weren't many survivors left in that room, and that they were kind of used to kill the other people, but I don't know exactly how her power works yet, or even what it is, so, you know, I might be making an ass out of you and me. I said during the episode, but like during that scene, I'm all like, yes, girl boss these guys. But at the same time, I'm all like, don't take their relatives' eyes, though. That's not cool. I could theorize about what Makima's doing all this for.
Oh, let's hear it.
It seems like her vice is wanting to control people.
Okay.
So if she can control Denji, which basically she's got complete control over that guy,
Mm-hmm.
and make him the strongest devil, stronger than the gun devil, then who is above her? She can do whatever she wants. Now, I don't know why she wants complete control, but that is what my guess would be.
Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna confirm or deny fucking shit.
Yeah. But she seems like a bit of a control freak.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's gonna be a whole episode where we go over Makima's backstory, and I'm like, oh, I feel bad for her. But as of right now...
Currently, we're now just all terrified.
Yeah. What if the backstory is just like, I got a small loan of $1 million from my father? she's just like an insane rich girl.
Yeah.
I'd be like, that would track, I think. Oh yeah, I didn't even mention the angel devil besides asking about his gender. That one's kind of a weird one because I don't know who's afraid of angels, but also I kind of get it, because like angels are something that you only see when you die, right? There's kind of a relationship to death, and also it's interesting that they have no malice towards humans.
Yeah.
If they looked like a biblically accurate angel, then maybe I'd be afraid of them. The episode left off on Hayakawa being choked. I assume he's gonna be saved?
No, that's just how he dies. It's just
Yeah.
really funny.
I assume he's gonna be saved. Either the future... I mean, the future devil said that he gave him the power to look into the future a tiny bit. So I don't think that's gonna help him out in this situation. I don't know, they didn't really leave much of a cliffhanger. I kind of... If he was gonna be saved, I would think he would end the episode off on, like... I don't know, Denji showing up and being all like, I've got you, best buddy. They're not even friends. They're just roommates.
They're more than acquaintances, but I wouldn't say they're friends.
They're lovers. That is all I have to say about this episode. Next episode, we got a lot of characters. We got a lot of fights set up. So, next episode will be the finale, which means action. And Mappa's going to bring their A game. So if you are excited to see my reaction to all that, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Why don't more people do it, Ben?
Because they're losers, Daniel.
It doesn't cost you any money.
I know. I don't...
It's free. It's free!
I like that word, free.
I also like the word free.
I wish more things were free. Leave a like if you also wish more things were free.
I hope that I can make your day better, and I hope that you continue to have good days. Until next time, take it easy.